Wait, why is nobody talking about this AI app yet? Guys, I just discovered something and I'm actually shocked. I found a brand new AI app that lets you create high quality images and even generate videos.
I've tested a lot of AI tools, and I can confidently tell you, this one is beginner.
So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's head straight into the video. So for you to access this app, all you need to do is to go to Google and search for Daijin AI. Daijin AI. Okay, it's showing here already. Click on Daijin AI. Now once you click on Daijin AI, you can just make sure you look at this logo. This is what it is. So on your own browser, I may not be showing this one at first. Just scroll till you see the logo, and then you click on it. Okay, this app is literally going to help you to create your images free of charge, right? So once you come to the app, this is what the app looks like. It's actually very simple and easy to use. You can use it to create your images, you can use it to do your text to video. If you come here, you're supposed to sign up, right? If you tap above here, so you're going to say free. You're going to be given up to 300 credits. Okay, with the 300 credits, you can be able to create something meaningful, right? Then once your credit is finished, you can always use another email to continue what you're creating. Alright, so we're going to head over to the interface after you must have signed in. So just simply scroll down. You're going to see describe your video, and then all of this icon. If you want to import your image, like you want your image to talk, you tap on this sign right here. Okay, you can upload an image from your gallery, or you can select from your gallery. Right, once you click on select from gallery, you generate images. Okay, now this place is simply where you can create your own image, right? Create your own image. Okay, we may not be doing, so let's go back. So we're just going to do something. I've actually been doing some things on this app, and then this box right here is where you're going to input your prompt. So you're already going to see some things inside the box. All you need to do is to delete everything inside the prompt box. Just highlight and delete everything. Okay, so if you click on this place right here, now let me show you why it is totally free. If you click on that place, you're going to see all of this. They also have Grok on this website, but the Grok here is not free. They have Real Motion, they have Soratsu, they have Coco VEO, and then but those ones are not free. The one that is free that you're actually using here is this Real Motion 3.1 Turbo. You can see you can make use of the audio. It gives you access to audio. It gives you access to audio, and then you can totally create your videos and images free of charge. Okay, so that's what we are using. Now if you come down here and these three horizontal dots here, tap on it. This is where you can see duration. You can choose your duration, and for the free version you can only use 5 seconds, right? Tap on orientation. This is where you can see your orientation. Choose by 9:16 if you are doing a YouTube short or a TikTok or a Facebook video. Choose 16:9 if you are doing a YouTube tutorial video or a long form video, and all of that. Okay, so I've actually done, let me just select 16:9 for now. Okay, I don't want us to start doing any video here. I'm going to do something for you, because now one thing you need to understand about free apps is that it's not as fast as a paid version, right? Normally, if I'm creating my tutorial videos, I use Grok AI. So this icon right here is the icon you're going to click for your image or video to start generating, right? So let's assume, for instance, you want to make a video. I'm just going to, let me go and copy a prompt. I was working on something. Okay, I've tested a lot of AI tools, and so I've just copied my prompts. I'm just going to select the image I want to use, upload image. I'll just select this image. Okay, I've already selected my aspect ratio, make it to fix very well in the box. Tap on this place here to adjust your image so that it can fix well. Okay, so and then input your prompt. I'm just going to input my prompt here. This free tool can actually give you 5 seconds speech. Okay, so you don't need to copy a lot of things at the same time. I've tested a lot of AI tools and I can confidently tell you this one is beginner friendly. Okay, so you can see this thing has come up here. So I'm just going to click send. So you can see it is being generated. Now when you're creating, remember to tap on this place right here. Remember that it is this first one, this real motion 3.1 turbo, that you're supposed to choose. If not, it's not going to generate for you because this is the free one here. And that is why the first one we tried to create, I forgot to put it in that one. Okay, when you pay for the free paid version, you can be able to generate up to 10 seconds and 720 resolution, right? So for this free one, you can create 5 seconds. Okay, so just patiently wait. Let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, so the video is done generating. Let's play and see what we have.
I've tested a lot of AI tools, and I can confidently tell you this one is begin. I've tested a lot of AI tools, and I can confidently tell you this one is begin. I've tested a lot of.
Guys, this is actually good. You can see the lip sync is actually very perfect and the audio is nice. Okay, totally perfect. You can literally use this. Okay, I don't want to create more. I would have shown you, would have created more, but as you can see, it takes time and we don't want to waste our time. Okay, so and one thing you need to notice is that it also has watermark, that Digen AI watermark. Okay, so let me show you how you can actually remove the watermark. Or before that, this is how you can download it. Just long press
Lot of AI tools, and I can confidently tell you this one is begin.
Video.
I've tested a lot of AI tools.
So let's go to CapCut. Let me show you how you can remove the watermark. Okay, click on new video. These are all the videos that I created. These are 2 other videos I actually created with it. Okay. So let me play I created 2 other videos with it.
Wait, why is nobody talking about this AI app yet? Guys, I just discovered something. Wait, why is nobody talking about this AI app yet? Guys, I just discovered something and I'm actually shocked. I found a brand new AI app that lets you create high quality images and even generate videos completely for.
I've tested a lot of AI tools, and I can confidently tell you this one is begin. This one is begin.
Okay, so let's actually take away the Digen mark from it. So just tap on this and then go to crop. So just highlight, just do like this, just crop out a little. You can see it's out, and then just save it. You can see it's out from this one, so you just go to crop again, crop it out a little, and then save. Go over to the next one, crop it out a little, and then you are good to go. So I'm just going to join everything together and then remove those parts that are not complete so that it could actually look better.
Wait, why is nobody talking about this AI app yet? Guys, I just discovered something and I'm actually shocked. I found a brand new AI app that lets you create high quality images and even generate videos. Complete images and even generate videos.
Now I'm going to crop out this part that is not complete, so it doesn't look like something is missing. I'm going to delete it out.
Quality images and even generate videos.
I've tested a lot of AI tools, and I can confidently tell you this one is
Okay, so I literally created these 3 clips from that. Alright, so you can actually try your hands on the app. You can actually try your hands on Digen AI. So if you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell. I have a full video on my channel where I taught how to create AI movies. You can check that video out. Thank you for watching. Bye.